Abebembezi ba Lira University basima Vision Group aho bokwijana Ultimate University Quiz ekintu ekibagira ngo nikija kuhera okutyaza obwongo bw'abeegi hamwe n'okwega okwekyereza mu bwire bwonna.
You're really helping us to train this generation. Training will increase the confidence of people, and it helps those of us who used to look for jobs. If you are not confident, then I don't see how you can get a job. I run adverts and I interview people. Fortunately, it's not unfortunate. Fortunately, as a medical doctor, our training is hinged on increasing the confidence of the students.
Ultimate University Quiz n'empaka ezirikutebeekanisibwa Vision Group buri mwaka n'ekigendererwa ky'okutyaza okureeba oburemeezi bw'obwengye hamwe n'okumanya kw'abeegi baza university kurabira omu kubabuuza ebibuuzo ebikwasira aha mashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe.
Nzize wano bategeeza nti Lira University tujja tugenda balaga omuliro ku muliro mu Ultimate University Quiz. Era kankugambeyo ekintu ekya tokola era.
Lira University yetegekedde Ultimate University Quiz Season 3 bagenda kuleetera omuliro ky'obomanya tujja.
Yeah, this Season 3 inter-university quiz, we are coming back bigger and better. Lira University, we are taking the trophy. Never the second, never the third, but the first and the first only.
The coach wabeja baliomba ku taking a part of Ultimate University Quiz. And nanyenda kugambira university zindi ngutumu ready for us tumara tubase mwije mwetebekanise. We are waiting for you.
Engineer George Charkundo umwe mu bakozi ba UCC kandi ba sponsor ba Ultimate University Quiz bahabara bejo kwetebekanise cy'urukumara ubwagumize ngo nibijaganyurwa mu cyango.
So the digital era is very, very crucial that we must adhere to understand how to work with it. There is what we call cyber security. Have you heard about cyber? I think I can get an answer. What is cyber security? General knowledge, don't mind. Yes, yeah, very good. Protecting your data.
The beacons, please take on the mantle, take on the challenge, and I don't know why my heart tells me that you're going to win. My heart tells me you're going to win. I'm closer associated to the church somewhere, Engineer George knows. But I can prophesy that you're going to win.
Omugisho guri omu kwetaba mu university quizzes n'okugira ngo abeegi ba university barasinja omwanya gw'okubanza hamwe n'ogwa kabiri nibija kutunga okushongorwa ninga omugisha gw'okukorera internship omuri za Bank of Uganda.
We agreed in a meeting at Bank of Uganda that for those who finished, I think in the first, second and third, we automatically give them an opportunity to do internship at the Bank of Uganda. Automatically.
Orientation is what we are doing currently. We get, a few of you compared to the entire university community. We talk to you about the quiz and why you should participate. That is exactly what we are doing right now. As you can see, I think the other one is Busitama. This should be Gulu University. As you can see, most of the people who actually attend our orientation are the same people who come and participate.
Max Adebembiro projected a Vision Group okureba quizzes ahendera je aine byashobora beji.
The important thing is getting to know which are the subject areas. I'm going to come back to that. It's quite a lot. Later on, I'll get to zoom in so that you understand. But we're dealing with central banking issues. That is why we have Bank of Uganda on board. We are talking about micro and macroeconomics, finance, banking. We are also talking about agriculture, the environment, climate change. You need to be conversant with some of these things.
It's something I could have fun with. The first games I was having fun. I was smiling. There was Busitem and Muni. They were really interesting.
Also became a regional affair because it was Mbarara University fighting it out with Kabale University. So once again, well done. We always emphasize the need for a well-balanced team. As you saw, there were certain subjects that were, or disciplines that were hard.
Ultimate University Quiz y'omwaka ogu neija kutandika ha 7 by'okwezi kwa 10 kandi ryahendereera 27 by'okwezi kwa 11.